What's up, YouTube? It's Zen Dragon. I am back with a part 2. Even though you guys did not hit the like goal, which I'm very sad about. 8 people saw my video. I don't know. Maybe their thumbs are just broken. It's okay. Maybe they're on their guest account or something. We can ignore that. But yeah. Can we hit 3 likes, since hitting 5 likes is impossible, I guess. But anyways, yeah, let's get into the video. Oh, Kelly, let's stay in the underground mine shaft together. Oh yes, let's play with demons, yeah. Yes, maybe if we can punch it hard enough, maybe it'll collapse. Just like my career collapsed. Oh, finally decided to be useful? Okay, let me just come back down from my above layer. Oh, pickaxes. Maybe we can stab the demon to death. Okay, there we go. I'm not sure if this is Minecraft or Mario Kart, but I'll still take it. Wee! Hoo-ha! I'm gone. I'm dashing. Yo! My beanie finna fall off, revealing that I'm actually bald. Yes, you heard it right here, ladies and gentlemen. You thought that Zenny was a furry? No, he's actually bald. Yo, I'm gonna just keep swinging my pickaxe until I hit something. Hey, the ride has stopped. Everyone get on your right hand side of, okay, they were already gone. Okay. Yo, I think we're just gonna keep on swinging our pickaxes in the air, even though we are hitting absolutely nothing, even though there's nothing there. Wow, is there a poltergeist here? Oh my god, Luigi's mansion? Luigi? Like what? Luigi? Huh? Who? Okay, we're just running. Why did that happen? Oh, okay, so there's just lava now. Okay. Why we not jump? Why we not go nowhere? Oh, is it? Dora had no idea. Are we better parkour? Yes, no, maybe so. Yes, come on, let's go. Come on, please. I didn't know this was an obby though. Let's go. Okay. Jump on the lava. Yes, we're all dead. Oh god, you just died. You just instantly died. Oh man, we lost the number. I don't know what to tell you, man. Just get good. I don't know. You just don't have the skills me and Voodoo have. I don't know, man. I just don't know what to tell you. Playing too much murder mystery in your spare time. That was too easy. I can't believe he died. He said as one of his friends just died, just not even mourning. He's just like, phew, we finally made it out. What is wrong with you, Roblox me? What's wrong with you? Yeah, I love how this is just like the school. Like, what even happened? We went inside the freaking final destination in Super Smash Bros. And then we just found this abandoned mine shaft that no miner is working in. I don't know why. Aren't they just supposed to be farming coal? Just making the ecosystem worse, and just use hydropower. I don't even know why you bother with coal and rocks and stuff. But how did I get talking about science? Let's just go. Yo, is it raining? Yo, it's raining! Yo! Yo, I thought this game was good. Resorting to Fortnite? What? How is it even raining? How does raining kill you? This is not some battle royale. First it was a escape game. Now it was an obby. Now it's Fortnite? Bro, get this trash out my screen. Yeah, but seriously, how are you going to die to rain, my guy? You survived fire before? You're gonna die to rain? Like, what? How? Like, be a Chad. Okay, if he can survive fire and not survive rain, then he's definitely a rock type. Maybe they got attacked or something. I don't know. Or they just left the old-fashioned way. She seems to know. She seems to be a smart one. Pretty sure if they knew that information, they would have been the culprits to kidnap Ashley. Pretty sure this is less safe to get eaten by bloodthirsty demons. I think this was used to kill someone. Cue the montage, even though I have no idea how to make montages. I'm on fire, I'm dying. Oh, okay, I'm alive. That was until tragedy. Oh, no. I'm just dead. I'm just dead. Of course, can't have an episode without me dying, right? Right, guys? Right, guys? Well, it's been fun, guys. Like, if your fingers are not broken, if you are not Deku nut, then like the video, or else I will come to your house and I will slap you with a cookie. I'm not even kidding. I will legit come to your house, cookies in hand. I will not feed them to you. I will instead slap them on your face. Okay? Okay? Yes. That's what I'll do. Yeah. But anyways, see ya.